Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, we are back to the old setup, but with a new camera. I like the way the video quality came out with my cell phone, which is crazy. The fact that my cell phone camera is better than my DSLR camera. Go figure. So today I am going to be unboxing the second Culturefly Supernatural box. So, ooh, the glare, my God. Okay, let me see. There we go, that's better. So you can see right here, Supernatural Join the Hunt. This comes covered in a plastic, but I took the plastic off just to make it easier. But it does ship in like a saran wrap kind of plastic, and I believe there's about 4,000 of these. I do think they still have some left, so if you're interested, you can purchase this. And actually, I think you can still purchase the first Supernatural box. This is a seasonal box, so it's quarterly. So every 3 months or so you get this. So this would be considered kind of like, I guess, the summer box. The one we just got was spring. So yeah, this comes out to about, for me, I think it was like about almost $63, and that includes shipping and taxes. So yeah, it's a little pricey, but it's only every 3 months, and I really like the items. Let's get into it. As I said, this comes in a saran wrap, so there is no tape to cut. So we're just gonna get in here and open it up. This is what you're gonna see in the box. Oh, something fell out. So yeah, I do know that they did a little spoilers, like teasers and stuff of the figure. So I know that there's gonna be a Dean figure, and I also know that there was a cosplay in here. So they were gonna include outfits, which right on top I can see. They're gonna include clothes that you can cosplay Dean from a specific episode of Supernatural, which I'm really excited because I love Dean. So if hashtag, you know, any Supernatural character girl, I'm Dean's girl. That's right. So, okay, so this is the spoiler card. We're not going to look at that yet, although I kind of know most of the stuff in here. But right on top, we have a polo gym shirt. So, yeah, this is really awesome. I don't remember the specific, you know, season. Ugh. See, I'm not that diehard of a fan. Like, I don't know exactly what season this episode was in, but I do remember the episode is when they go back to their old high school, because there's some ghost that's, you know, possessing the kids and making them kill people, and it's like this whole thing, and they think they know who it is, but it turns out to be someone else. Really interesting. But yeah, so as they go undercover into the school, Dean goes in as the gym teacher. Yes. So this is his little disguise. So you can see right here, we have the name of the high school, and it's it's Truman High School, but it's Truman Bombers. So there you can get a good look at that. It's really good. This is embroidered. So this is embroidered into this shirt. And this is all licensed products. So Culturefly does all licensed. So none of this is like, you know, just, you know, in-house or anything. No, these are licensed products. So this is, let's see, does this have a brand on it? No, but it's 60% cotton, 40% polyester, and it's Supernatural licensed apparel. So you have the little tag right here, Culturefly, limited, exclusive. So I got a large, and it's really good quality. I love the feel of it. I probably could have gone a little smaller, but with these boxes, sometimes I'm not sure what size to get, because there's been times when I get mediums and they fit perfect, and other times the medium looks like an extra small. So it's really difficult, and with these items, I really want to make sure they fit me, because I really love Supernatural, so I've just put large. Next item. And okay, so let's go for this. This is part of the cosplay. So you can see right here, gym teacher socks. Socks? Gym teacher socks. OMG. Yes. So in the episode, Dean wears the gym socks, and they're like all high up his calf, like so nerdy gym teachery. Like, oh my God, he's that teacher. And oh, it's just so funny. Like, if you watch Supernatural, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then you need to go watch it. So yeah, again, it has the like red stripes, and it's licensed. It says right here in the front, you can see Supernatural right here. Supernatural Join the Hunt right there. So these are awesome. And these are, again, good quality. Like, these aren't super thin. Like, these are actual, like, the thickness of actual gym socks. Like, sometimes you get those socks from, like, Loot Crate or something, and they're paper thin, or they're, like, they're not thin, but they don't stretch either, so you can't put them on. Even though they're, like, one size fits all. They don't, half the socks don't even go over, like, my ankle. I'm like, who's supposed to fit into these? So the socks are really cool. And then part of the cosplay is we have our whistle. So that's really awesome. I don't want to open it, but you can see it right here. That's the little gym teacher whistle. It's just a basic black whistle, nothing really special. You could probably get this at like the dollar store or something. It's not like metal or anything, but it is licensed. You can see right there. Okay, and then we have a pin. And it says Gas and Sip Steve. So this is from an episode, you can see right there. This is from an episode where Castiel is kind of like, he lost his powers and he's trying to basically be immortal. So he gets a job at kind of like a gas station. And he's like model employee, really great at it. But then the boys show up, you know, Sam and Dean, and they're like, we need your help, Cass. So he goes to help them. But yeah, this is like a little name tag pin, which is really cool. I love that. All right, this is just to protect everything and throw out that poison. Let's see what else we got here. There's so much in here. Like, look at this box. It is like packed. It's packed. Okay, so here we have Supernatural Join the Hunt anti-possession symbol Candlemobile. Okay, so that's interesting. I don't know what that is. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay. Ooh, what is this? This is cool. Okay, so we have instructions right here. And, okay, this looks like there is some assembly required. And it's well packaged with bubble wrap. Oh, yeah, see? So there's a little turbine looking thing. This looks like it's a little metal candle holder. Maybe a winch. Some kind of little metal winch. This is all metal. And, and these are like the little, can you see that, guys? The little anti-possession symbols. And they're metal as well. And it looks like they're supposed to hang, like dangle. So maybe, I would have to look at the instructions on how to assemble this. But I'm assuming they go clipped onto the edges of this and dangling. And then, I don't know. It's Candle Mobile. So it's like what they hang over a baby's crib, but it's not motorized. So maybe that's what the turbine is for. Maybe the heat from the candle causes it to turn, so it turns. I'm going to see if I can assemble this and show you guys, but I'll do that at the end of the video. Okay, so next item up, we have, oh, here's the figure. So here we have the Dean figure that was teased online. You can see him right there. Let's see. Is that coming out good? I don't know what I'm doing with my hand. It's not going to help. But there you go. Let me take them out of the box. Again, this is a collectible vinyl, and this is licensed Supernatural merchandise as well. So we have, this is Dean with the first blade. It's a very stylized version of him. Can you see that? Yeah. So you can see there's the first blade. And it's a very, like, you know, odd little vinyl. Like, there's not much detail on the face. You can see that right there. Does he come out? Oh, he does come out of the stand. So the stand has Supernatural on it. The licensing, the logo. Oops, can you see that? And you can remove him from the pegs, but I don't see a reason why. It's a very small stand, and it actually will keep him up, you know, steady. I like it. I think it's cute. The you know, the knife is not very sharp or hard, so that's good. Just got to be careful not to like bend it or snap it or anything. The figure itself is good. It's a little, maybe that was from my finger, a little dirty, but it's cute. I like it. You know, if you're a fan, you know who it is. Like, you can see right away that that's Dean. If you're not, you're gonna be like, what the heck is that? Like, it doesn't even look like a person because the face is very featureless. Okay, next item we have thermochromatic anti-possession glass. That's cool. So I'm assuming that means it's a color changing glass, maybe? Very well packaged. So I'm hoping that means nothing is broken. Ugh, styrofoam. Okay. Oh, so gently. Ah, ooh, okay. All right, not bad. It is a little dirty from being in there. I don't know how it changes color. If it's cold or heat, doesn't really say. But you can see the design. Whoops. There's the design on it. Really nice. So I don't know how the color changing works, but that is really cool. I can always do with a glass tumbler, etc. So let's put this back in the box because I don't want it to get broken at all. All right. So, okay, and then we still have more stuff. Here is, ooh, this is nice. So we have like a messenger bag. Can you guys see that? That is a really nice bag. I'm trying to tilt it so the glare isn't too bad. How about I take it out of this plastic? That'll help with the glare. I swear, I haven't filmed in this setup in so long, I completely forgot how to do it. Okay, here we go, much better. So you guys could see that, right? Much better. So again, licensed product, it has the tags right here. Okay, so these buckles don't attach to anything. They're kind of like just for show. And then it opens with this, the clasp right here. You can just, oops. It's hard to do it like that. Okay, so you can just pop it out. Okay, nice. It has another little pocket in the front right here. And in there are the straps. And you can make it longer, shorter, however you want to carry it. This is actually, it feels pretty good quality. Like, it's not like fake pleather. It actually feels like some kind of canvas material. So this is like a canvas tote, which I like that. Like, these are like a pleather, the straps, but this is canvas. And then inside it has like kind of like a silk, like a, not silk, but vinyl-y kind of, not even, it is material, but you know, for spills and, you know, drips and everything inside. And then on top of that, it has another pocket inside right here, another the little zipper one. Whoops, did I close it? I did, I closed it. So there we have another little zipper pocket. So there's the little zipper pocket, the main compartment, this outside pocket, which is great to put like your phone or something. And then it just closes like that. And you have the strap, and this is all canvas only. And the design is actually like it's like a rubber. It feels rubbery. That is really nice. This is good quality. I like this. I like this bag a lot. This is really nice. Yeah, and I like the color. It kind of goes with everything. Very nice. And I like, what I really like about the canvas is as you use it, canvas tends to get softer. Kind of, I don't know if, you know, the wearing and the accumulation of the oils from your hands and stuff, like it's going to get nice and soft and very, like, malleable. So that's really cool. Actually, let's see if I can just pop it here so we can still see it. Ah, there we go. And I think, oh, no, there's more. Oh, I forgot. There's another piece to the cosplay. So this is the headband. Gym teacher headband. So there you go. You have our gym teacher headband when you want to cosplay Dean as the gym teacher. I can't. The only thing that's missing is the shorts, pretty much. Okay, and there is a print on the bottom, and I cannot get it out. I cannot get it to come out. It's like, look, it's like perfectly fitted to the box. So let's see if I can. Aha, got it. All right. Okay, so the box is empty, and look how cool, the attention to detail. Even the box inside has like the the devil's trap. I mean, not the devil's trap. That's the protection symbol that they have tattooed on their chest to keep the demons and the angels from finding them. Well, no, the demons from finding them. The angels, they have the Enochian symbols carved into their ribs. Clearly, yeah, you have to watch the show. So the print is Supernatural Join the Hunt, Dawn of Darkness. Ooh. So you guys can see that. That's a really cool print. I like that. Very nice. It's got our three hunks. The boys and Cass. So right there, that's Cass. There's Sam and there's Dean. Really cool. So I like the print. Very nice. All right, so, let's pause this right here, and I'm going to try to assemble that mobile. Okay, guys, and we are back. I believe I have assembled it correctly. So here we have, let's see, what was it called again? Anti-possession symbol candle mobile. So I even got a candle. So here we go. This is the mobile. Can you see that, guys? I have the candle in there. And then we're gonna light this puppy up. Whoop. There we go. So in theory, the heat should start rotating it. Although it's not on a flat base right now. Let me see. Okay, I turned off the fan, so let's see now if it goes. Oh, it's going. How cute. Look how pretty that is, guys. Let me see if I can scooch it closer without having a repeat of the epic drop. There we go. It's a little closer. Ooh. All right. So yeah, some of the movement is because I just moved it, but you can see it's going. The candle it's moving. That is so pretty. I really like that. Like, this is very clever. I have never ever seen an item like that in any box ever. That is so pretty. So we have the spoiler card right here. Let's make sure we didn't miss anything. Yeah, we got the cosplay, the anti-possession spinner, Dean Winchester vinyl figure. We have the gas and sip enamel pin, the anti-possession color change tumbler. So it changes colors when it's filled with a cold beverage. We have the art print, and then we have our bag, anti-possession messenger bag. So I'm going to zoom it in so you guys can see. So there's all the items, and you can see that's a whole cosplay right there. All you need is the shorts. Then the color change of the cup right there. And there we have the bag, everything. So yeah, Supernatural. Join the hunt. Words are not sufficient. I am so happy I got this box. I just paid for the third box. I'm looking forward to it. They still haven't started doing spoilers. I'm assuming that box will probably be shipped out sometime in August because they're still taking orders for it. As I said, I think this box is still available. If you want to purchase it, you can still get it. I'm not sure about the first box. I did do an unboxing of the first ever Supernatural Culture Fly box. I'll tag that video down below. You can check that one out too. It was amazing as well. I do think I like this box better. The other one was cool, but I really like. Look, now it's actually it's continuing to turn now. Maybe it just needed to heat up. That is so pretty. I really like the mobile. Like that is really cool. Mobile. I don't even know how to pronounce it. All I know is that I like it a lot. I like everything in this box. I'm really happy. And yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Do you like, the new camera? Like, is it better than the old one? I think the autofocus is much better. Much less editing I'm going to have to do, because before I had to do some crazy stuff to like zoom you in and out. Yeah, so comment down below if you like my videos, if you like my content. Hit that like button, click the subscribe, and let me know you're out there. Bye-bye for now.